What's 5 take away 5? Okay, so if you're getting 0 for this one, how is this different than this? Okay, how is this different here from this? Well, you have how many negatives here? I know you have the parentheses that you don't have here, but how many negatives do you have? If you think of this as a negative sign, then how many do you have? You have 2 negatives here, don't you? You only have 1 negative. If you think of that as a negative sign, you have 1 negative and you have 2 negatives. So this cannot be the same as this. You understand? I got 2 negatives, I only have 1 here. These are not the same problem, so you cannot get 0 for this, okay? So if this is what a minus 5 looks like, if that's what a minus 5 looks like, this can't be minus 5, can it? Huh? Because this is what a minus 5 looks. This looks different. So this must be a positive 5. So this is going to be 5 plus 5. Another way to think of it, this is 5 and the opposite, this is the opposite here, this is the opposite of the minus 5. Okay? And the opposite of a negative is a what? So there are several reasons. We're going to copy down that 5, but right now we're going to think about this differently than just subtraction. We're saying this has 2 negatives, this has 1 negative. So if this is a minus 5, then this must be a positive 5. So the answer is going to give us 10, isn't it? When we go 5 to the right and 5 to the right, we have 10. Okay, so this is what a negative 3 looks like. Okay, that's what a negative looks like. Since this has 2 negatives, it must look different than a negative, so this must be a what? How many negatives do you have? Well, this, if you have 1 negative, it's negative. 2 negatives make a what? Okay, so we read this as a positive 5. This one is a negative. This one is a negative right here. But this can't be negative, because that's what a negative looks like. This must be, okay? So now we can go on our number line. 3 to the left, okay? Come back 5 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. I'm 5 to the right. Now I'm going 9 to the left here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to the left, okay? From this positive 2, I'm going 9 to the left, puts me at negative 7. And from here, I'm going 6 to the right. So you started right here at negative 7 and go 6 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We end up here 1 to the left. Final answer, minus 1. Okay, but the big key to this thing is saying this looks like a positive. All right, this looks like a positive because it doesn't look like the negative that this is.